Yeah. I need to go grocery shopping. I literally don't have any food in the house, although I've been needing to go to the grocery store for the last week or so, and my son keeps telling me, Mom, how are you coming up with dinner? How are you making dinner with no food in the house? We have what we need to get by, but they don't have any of their fresh fruit or snacks or just things that they can pick up, you know, quickly and eat. So it is time that I go grocery shopping. My refrigerator is completely bare. I don't even have milk. So I'm gonna go through my refrigerator. I'm gonna clean it out, make it look pretty again so that I can restock it. I just need my typical bread, milk, eggs, cheese, all that stuff, fresh fruit, all that stuff that I need that are just like our basics just to get us by. So do you want to hang out with me today and see what we come up with? Well, first of all, I have this ricotta that's been sitting in the fridge for a while. It's not expired yet. So I think I'm going to try and use this today to make lasagna roll-ups. So I'm going to keep this in mind. In case you guys are wondering, this is a glass that has bacon grease in it. I was using this to start fires with. So I just leave that here. I have some real French vinaigrette dressing. I'll probably try and marinate some chicken with this. That way I can get it out of my refrigerator. I also have some lemon pepper marinade, and I have some Greek vinaigrette that I could use. So maybe when I go to the store, I'll pick up some chicken breast or chicken thigh, and I'll marinate these and put them in the freezer for another time. See, even my meat and cheese drawer is pretty much empty. So remember in one of my old videos, I had shown you how I organized my fruit drawer with those organizers from the Dollar Tree. I thought that I came up with that idea all on my own. Turns out I was scrolling on I was scrolling on Pinterest yesterday and I saw someone else do it. I thought that it was my idea. Turns out it wasn't. Great minds think alike. At least we all have the same ideas. So I'm not going to take everything out of here. I'm just going to wipe it down with a rag because it's still pretty clean in there. But I would still really like to clean out the vegetable and the fruit crispers because those areas get dirty pretty quickly from all of the debris that settles off from the fruits and vegetables over time. So I just want to make sure that it's nice and clean so that when I put new fruits and vegetables in there, if there was anything that was going bad, it took away any bacteria or any kind of smells of any kind. So I cleaned that out. I also cleaned out my meat and cheese drawer. I just feel like little things like this really helps make your refrigerator feel and smell fresh. And while I was at it, I decided to clean out the side of my refrigerator, which holds all of the condiments and stuff. I wanted to clean that area out because I have been avoiding it for so long. It is a little time consuming having to take out each and every one of these mats that are in the drawers, but I just couldn't keep putting it off anymore. So I just got down to the nitty gritty. I cleaned every single compartment, and then I also got into the compartment that had the eggs and the butter and all that. I took all of that off as well, and I cleaned it nice and thoroughly, as well as gotten rid of any condiments that were old and didn't need anymore, and just created space so that my refrigerator didn't look too crowded in this area. Okay, I don't really think that there's a whole lot to go through in the freezer. Maybe there is. Let's see, we got some 2 corn dogs. We got 3 bananas that I've been wanting to make banana bread with. Some Thrifty's Circus Cookie ice cream that I've been babying. And some of that raspberry cheesecake ice cream that I bought a long time ago that I haven't finished. A whole bag of that chicken breast. I ate that other bag, but I haven't dipped into this one yet. Still my favorite chicken ever. Some Crustables that I could take out of the box. Taquitos. This goes in the other freezer. Some more ice cream. This is it's freezer burnt. I'm just going to toss this. And it takes forever to get through a box of edamame. It comes with only 6 bags, and I still have 1.5 bags. Maybe I should take them out of the box. Texas toast, that can go in the other freezer. That turkey that I haven't used, I forgot about it. Okay, since we're here, we might as well organize this too. Last time I went shopping, I guess everything just got shoved in here. I got some more of those bins from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use these for snacks. Maybe next time I go to the Dollar Tree, I'll buy another 4 to put my veggies or whatever else in. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to go grocery shopping and bring everything that I need to bring in. But don't let this clean kitchen fool you guys, because my floors are disgusting. But I don't have time for that right now. So let's just go head out to Stater Brothers, see what we can find, and then be on our way back. Hi. Took me a while to get through the whole entire grocery store. Surprisingly, today I wasn't that busy. I did a lot more shopping that I wanted to do, but I needed everything. I was purging everything out of my house just so that I can clean and bring it all in. So I'm just going to bring in all the groceries like right now. And I'm gonna get myself a snack because I'm just so hungry, you guys. I haven't eaten anything since this morning before for my pre-workout. All I've had today was a peanut butter toast at like 7:30 in the morning, and it's now 2:35. But did you know that bananas have segments? Yeah, I tell everybody about it because it's so interesting, right? Okay, so I took a piece of this banana, and as I pull it apart, it comes off in segments. You see that? Look. Bet you didn't know that bananas have segments. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this banana. I'm gonna make myself a little bit of leftover rice from yesterday, and I have to go pick up my kids, and when I get back, I'll put all this stuff away and I'll do some food prep. So I'm over here looking at these flowers over here. Aren't they so pretty? They're a little sad now. They're not as vibrant as they were, but a friend of mine, she brought me these not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before that. So it's been like a week and 3 days. Carnations are my favorite flower. And so every day, ever since she's given them to me, they have brightened my day. Just as a reminder to you guys, if you see someone who's feeling a little sad, maybe just buy them a bouquet of flowers. Simple little flowers like that will just make them feel so happy. Hi guys.
Hi.
How was school?
Good.
Yeah? Did you have a good day?
Yeah. I got free stuff. Hold on. I got a free dollar and a free coin.
You keep bringing home money.
I got a Wells Fargo.
Oh.
And I also have a pen.
Oh, I just went grocery shopping.
Yay!
I don't know if you guys are like this. I've been doing this even way before I started YouTube. I like to section out all of my groceries by where I'm putting them, like refrigerated, freezer, vegetables, produce, whatever. Like, I like to section it all out. So now that I have it all laid out, it looks so pretty, especially this table over here. This is my favorite part. I got a package of chicken, and I got the bone-in chicken breast because it's always cheaper. If you have the option to look at the difference, check out the price between bone-in and bone-out chicken. It is such a different price. I also picked up 2 packages of chicken thigh because they're super cheap right now, especially on the bone. If you buy this off the bone right now, it's like it's actually triple the price. So I bought 2 of them. I also got some shrimp. These were on sale for the cheapest I've seen at Stater Brothers. I got this microwave ready bacon. This bacon is nothing like the bacon that you get that's pre-cooked. This bacon actually looks raw, but it's microwave ready. It's 4 pouches and it's 12 ounces altogether, but it's a lot of bacon on the inside. And I'm probably mainly going to be the only one eating this bacon. I picked up a hot and ready chicken. I got some Zatarain's Jambalaya, 1 box of the Quaker Big Chewy chocolate chip granola bars. These were on sale, the lowest I've seen in quite a while. So I picked up the Mickey Mouse fruit snacks, and then my son really likes these fruit roll-ups, and then he also likes these Gushers. Some saltine crackers, 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts. These were also on sale. So I grabbed these. Normally I wouldn't buy Pop-Tarts, but because they were on sale, I figured I could put these in their lunch boxes for their Friday treat. 3 boxes of Cheez-Its. These right here are the reason why I got the smaller ones is because the big box was just a little bit more, and you get 2 boxes with just like an ounce more for a little bit less. So I picked up 2 of the extra big Cheez-Its, and then I got these ones for my younger son because he likes the grooves. So I got him sharp white cheddar. And I got me some more of these Blue Diamond artisan nut thins. These are so good. I got some more bacon. This was sitting in like an end cap, and I couldn't believe how cheap it was. So I think I'm going to chop this up, and I'm going to use this in like my egg dishes for breakfast. And I'm going to have that pre-ready for me. Some ground beef because I'm going to use this for my lasagna roll-ups. A big box of goldfish. I was super tempted to buy the small ones and buy them in different colors and different flavors and stuff, but they were just way too expensive to buy individually, so I bought the big box, and I know that they're going to like these. I got 2 cartons of eggs. Yeah, you heard that right. 2 cartons, 18-pack of large eggs. They are going down in price right now. They were $8.89 for a while there. They're down to $7.39 a piece, which is little over $1 less than what we would normally pay for them right now. So the prices of eggs are coming down. That's good news. I got a bottle of the Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some kidney beans, and some black olives. We like putting black olives, well, I do. I like putting them in my salad, and my son just likes to eat them as snacks. This is going to go with the Zatarain's Jambalaya. I got 2 jars of Prego Cosmic Brownies because why not? And some lemon drizzle baby buns. I have a feeling my oldest is going to go head over heels for these. So at the store, I was looking for top ramen because my kids prefer top ramen over cup of noodles. They go back and forth between chicken and shrimp, but I couldn't believe how expensive the price was for top ramen right now. It's absurd, honestly. It's just some noodles and a seasoning packet. I don't know why it's so expensive, but if you buy them individually, they're like 39 cents, and if you bought individual flavors, and it ends up coming out to be more. But because I only bought 4 of them, it was little less than buying 1 12-pack. I figured I would get half shrimp, half chicken, and they can pick and choose what they want. I got a bunch of dairy, so my kids take cheese snacks to school quite often, so I bought them the mild cheddar and the Colby Jack. I got stuff to make sandwiches, some mild cheddar and some honey ham, mozzarella cheese. I got 2 gallons of milk. I got 1 regular milk for my kids' cereal. I got the Fairlife for myself. I also got some rice, some V8 Splash. I got a thing of garlic breadsticks. I bought this for lunch today, but I chickened out because I didn't really want the calories, so I'm going to save it for a rainy day. I got some Parmesan cheese to go in my lasagna roll-ups. I got some queso fresco because my husband can eat these as tacos. I bought some tortillas. These were a manager special. They were sitting out right in front of the checkouts. I've never seen these before. They look like they're homemade, and when I picked them up, they were still warm. So they are pretty fresh, and you get 12 of them. So I can't wait to see how those are going to taste. I think I'm going to use these for my enchiladas. I also got some sopes. These were sitting at the same section as the tortillas. They look very fresh too compared to the ones sitting in the refrigerated section. I got some plain bagels. I got some sun-dried tomatoes that are julienne cut that are not packed in oil or have any seasoning on them. I always see this bread and it's always the cheapest, so I pick it up and I just throw it in my freezer. The Nature's Own, the prices are coming down a little bit, but they're still pretty high. I preferably like to buy my bread when it's on Ibotta and I get a rebate back for it. But right now they don't have any bread, at least not at Stater Brothers, on their rebates. So I just bought this one because this is my kids' favorite for sandwiches. And now we're on to the produce section, and I could spend an entire day at the grocery store looking at all the produce. The colors are just so vibrant and so pretty. It makes me happy every single time I go in there and I see all this stuff. I bought a big bag of russet potatoes, some frozen corn. I also got some corn on the cob, the little ones. I got 2 things of broccoli, and you know what? I was really surprised on the price that these must have been on sale because they were the same price as the ones that are not in the Steaming Easy bags. So I got 2 of these. They're about 2 ounces less, but I really like these because you can just pop these into the microwave and it's a lot faster and a lot easier. I also got some peas and carrots. I grabbed some fresh tomatoes. I bought some more blueberries. I was going to get blackberries, but the blackberries were kind of expensive, so I just got 2 things of blueberries instead. I got some kiwi. I got some parsley that I plan on using in my lasagna roll-ups. I got 2 large cucumbers. These were on sale, 2 for $1, so I got 2 of those, and I got some tomatoes, some baby tomatoes, some radishes, some carrot, shredded carrot, and some lettuce. This is going to make a good salad. I picked up lemons and limes. Apples were not a good deal right now, but these Granny Smith apples were not a bad price. But now that I'm looking at them, I don't know what happened, if they got smashed at this, when they were bagging them. I'm not sure what happened, but they're bruised. A couple of them are bruised. So I'll probably cut these up and make a fruit platter for my kids. I got mango and a passion fruit. These things are so expensive, but my son has been begging for a passion fruit, so I got that for him, along with some pears. And now that I know that my daughter likes these, this was a good substitution for apples, since the apples were not really a good price right now. I got 2 things of onions. I got some bananas, even though sometimes they go bad. You can always make banana bread. If you don't have time to make banana bread at the moment, just throw them in your freezer. It works just as good. Just thaw them out and then mash them up. They'll look a little funny, but they taste amazing. I got a small watermelon, got 2 bunches of asparagus. I got a big bag of oranges, and I got a thing of grapes. And this thing was busting out of the seams. I had to squeeze it closed because all of the grapes were busting out. So there's a ton of grapes in there, but yeah, I think I did great on the produce section. I think this is going to last us for quite a while, and I think my kids are going to be happy. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to put everything away, and I'm just going to start with my freezer. time it was. It's like 5:30 and I gotta figure out what we're eating for dinner now, because now lasagna roll-ups is gonna take too long and I don't have time for that. And I still have vegetables and everything to put away, so I'm gonna just put all of this stuff in the refrigerator, everything that's left, and then I'm going to resume back here tomorrow to finish everything else. I had gotten up at 4:30 in the morning. I wanted to get a head start, so I put my workout in early in the morning so that I had some time to start prepping all of my fruits and vegetables before I left. My friend and I wanted to go shopping. We wanted to buy all of our supplies for our birthday party coming up. And so I just started cleaning all the fruit and veggies so that I can start prepping them. At this point, I was getting a really good head start. I thought I was making really good timing and everything. And then I had gotten a phone call from my son's school telling me that he needed to be picked up because his teeth were hurting. He has these brackets in his mouth that were falling out and it was causing a lot of redness and irritation on his gums. So I needed to bring him home because he was hurting a little bit. So I didn't have time to finish prepping, but we did go out shopping, me and my friend. You guys don't get to see what's in these bags just yet, but I am gonna end the video here because I have so much more to share with you guys in my next video. I'll have that ready for you by Monday. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.